You are going to love 2021 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, fog lamps, front wheel independent suspension, heated front seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.